Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this shapes video transition on CapCut PC. So you can use any shape that you want. For this one I'm going to use the heart shaped one. I'm going to add the other video on top, like the second video I want to kind of transition in. Then I'm going to simply select the heart shape here, and I'm going to kind of make it small. It doesn't have to be super small. Maybe like make it a little bit small like this. Then add a keyframe, and at the end you're going to want to extend the shape so it covers up the whole thing. And if you want to, you can even create add in like an animation. Maybe like this one, or like this one. Maybe like the shake one looks kind of cool. Oops. Okay, maybe not that one. Maybe this slide down as well, or slide up looks cool as well. This roll right looks kind of cool, so you can use that. Just select any animation that you want, really. This is your video, so yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!